There have been a lot of leaks concerning smartphones in the market as of late. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is yet to be completed, but like other smartphones, it has also recently appeared on certification websites. Now, the highly anticipated Galaxy S23 Ultra has also broken the cover. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra design leaked. Find out what has changed. First, the S23 Ultra, the next flagship phone from Samsung, has been the subject of numerous leaks ahead of its scheduled release. According to recent reports, the device will not undergo significant design changes. The most recent information indicates that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will look very similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as CAD renders for the device have been leaked online. It's not surprising that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will look very similar to the S22. Samsung may be trying to create a design language for their products by adopting the split island camera designs. For example, the Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus are also expected to use the same model, not to mention that they also resemble the A series model. 5. External appearance and changes. Now, outwardly, it looks like a Galaxy S22 Ultra that was repainted, a criticism that has been leveled against numerous other smartphones. The distinction lies in the tiny details between the two phones. From what we've heard, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a flatter profile than its predecessor, the Galaxy S22. The leaked images support this claim. The Galaxy S23 Ultra has another noticeable upgrade: recessed camera modules and at least 2 cameras. The remaining 3, however, might be enough to keep the phone from standing up on a leveled surface. After putting the renders under a keen observation, we found that the phone would have the thinnest chin of any Samsung device, and that the width of all 4 bezels would be the same. What do you think of the Galaxy S23 Ultra's minimal design change with the S22? Is that a plus or minus for you? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, the renders make the smartphone look similar to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. However, some notable differences exist, such as removing protrusions from the smaller camera rings. The display appears less curved than on the S22 Ultra. Looking closely, we can see that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has a second microphone down its underside. In addition, the display appears to have perfectly symmetrical bezels. Aside from those stated above, the S23 Ultra is visually identical to the S22 Ultra.
Whoa, is it noticeable?
Our precise measurements of the S23 and how it stacks up against the S22 will be unveiled later in the video, so make sure you don't miss out. 4. Additional expected improvements. Moving on, maximum brightness, color accuracy, reduced screen reflection, and high dynamic range (HDR) performance are all areas where Samsung promises advancements. Its internal features are primarily a mystery at this point, though whispers are circulating regarding specific characteristics that may be revealed. These features will be unveiled later, so stay tuned. While an increase in battery capacity would be welcome, it doesn't seem very likely. Given recent developments, Samsung may need to take more precautions with its batteries. 3. Battery capacity and charging rates. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, supposedly designated as the SM-S9180, will reportedly enable 25-watt fast charging. Because its predecessor allowed for 45-watt rapid charging, this may be a deal breaker for some buyers. The 25-watt charging type may be exclusive to China. However, better charging support for the gadget could also be made available worldwide. Like the Galaxy S22, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to be a $1,200 plus phone, and we hope to see some improvements in the battery capacity. Here's what Tom's Guide review said about the S22. This is a stellar phone overall, but it's also pretty pricey, and the battery life could be better. So we hope to see an improvement at least. 2. Design size. Furthermore, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is rumored to be 163.4 by 78.1 by 8.8 millimeters in terms of physical measurements. By comparison,
the
dimensions of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra are 163.3 times 77.9 times 8.9 millimeters, making it a bit larger than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. When the Galaxy S23 Ultra launches, it will boast the thinnest bezels of any S-series phone. In addition to its SIM card slot and USB Type-C port, the smartphone's bottom houses the speaker grille, microphone array, and S Pen storage. The volume rocker and power button on the Galaxy S23 Ultra can be found on the right side of the device. A microphone sits atop the device, but the left side appears empty. 1. Fingerprint and camera sensor feature. Again, speculation has suggested that the Galaxy S23 lineup could be unveiled in January, a few weeks before the S22 phones. The current rate of leaks guarantees that we will know much more about the S23 trio. That said, our channel will keep up with all the latest updates, so make sure to subscribe to the track and get an alert whenever we drop a video. While the form factor remains unchanged, the new Qualcomm ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC are expected to help Samsung create a good splash in the mobile sector. There will be a 200 megapixel camera sensor, allowing for superior photo-taking abilities. The renderings also suggest that the gadget will ship with the S Pen, similar to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Samsung's Galaxy S22 Ultra is arguably the most potent and flexible Android phone currently available. It is without a doubt that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will deliver more impressive results. However, the question is how much of an improvement we will get. We hope this information was enough to give you an idea of what to expect. If you're interested in learning about Samsung 23 Ultra, you're at the right place, because our next feature is Samsung S23 Ultra battery life you won't believe. This will change everything. Thanks for watching.